Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here. Going to get rid of both these lines. Sure, they still pertain, but they're not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's just get those out of the way, and we'll start afresh here because, you know, today's price movement was very, very solid. Newest level of support and what I would call the ideal area. You say, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up here above 3160. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 3160, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to actually stay up above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very beneficial because when it comes to just gauging the health and measuring the health of the overall move, that right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 3160 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, let me squeeze down the chart here. Next key big battleground to watch moving forward, and everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching this level, is right up here at the 3280 mark. You can see quite the track record here of the price getting up there and then failing miserably, bouncing back up, and then once again failing miserably. So that doesn't mean that for sure guaranteed it'll fail miserably again if it gets back up there. It just makes sense, though, that there is a big question mark up there on whether or not the price is going to have enough strength and power to get up through that level. But all in all, very impressive movement today. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.